You can use Fingerprint Unlock to unlock your Pixel Fold, sign into apps, and authenticate purchases. To use Fingerprint Unlock, if your phone is asleep, press the power button to unlock. If your screen is awake, touch the power button with your finger without pressing down. To set up Fingerprint Unlock on your Pixel Fold, swipe up to see your apps. Tap Settings. Scroll down, then tap Security and Privacy. Tap Device Unlock. Then tap Fingerprint. Enter your PIN. On this screen, you can learn more about how Fingerprint Unlock works. When you've finished, tap I agree. To capture your fingerprint, follow the prompts on screen. Tap Done. You can add up to 4 more fingerprints to unlock your device. After completing the setup, you will have the option to set your preferences. Now you can use your fingerprint to unlock your Pixel Fold or verify that it's you. If you're having trouble using Fingerprint Unlock, go to g.co/pixel/fingerprint fix. To learn more about Fingerprint Unlock for other Pixel phones, please find the link in the description below.